everybody. So this video is going to be a little bit different from videos that I've done in the past. It is going to be for anyone who has been thinking of starting stamping. You don't want to really invest in a bunch of stamping equipment and supplies and all that kind of stuff, but you really want to give it a try. So today we are going to go shopping. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to get my chauffeur. We are going to hop in the car and stop at a couple different places. So at those stores, we're going to use coupons to get everything that we need, and we should be able to spend less than $40 to try stamping. Let's get going.
This is my chauffeur for the day. He's taking us shopping for stamping supplies. The first stop of the day is Hobby Lobby. So we're going in here for blanks and a bench block and a few other things. The jewelry aisle. Okay, so let's talk about a few things. These findings are really good to use, but do you see these little jewelry shop brand here? Not good for learning to stamp on. Also, these blank slate. And in my Hobby Lobby, they put these here with the stamping stuff, but I am telling you, do not use these for stamping. You will hate yourself. You'll think that your stamping is horrible and there's something wrong with you. It is not you, it is the blanks if you're using blank slate. So just do not get those. Another thing is the Gadgets and Gizmos stamps. And then, let's see, they also have, that's a 3mm. And then this is just a serif font that they've got. So, and these are the kind of the Hobby Lobby brand. These are not as good of quality, but here we have Impress Art. So the things that we are here for today are going to be our Bracelet Blanks. You have these packs here that are a good price for several blanks. So 12 pack, more than 12, I don't know, 16. We're gonna go with these blanks, and I am gonna get this 12 pack. These are a 1/4 inch, and they're 14 gauge aluminum, and I like these because it gives us enough room that we can use some tape to keep a straight line, and also use a 1/8 inch or 3mm stamp on these. And since it's a 12 pack, that will give us enough that when we mess them up, it's not a big deal. This pack is $7.99, and you're going to use your 40% coupon on this. And then a design stamp. So they've got these single design stamps for about $8. And things like the heart or a star or things like that are a really good starting place because it's an impression that it's easy to stamp, and you can use a heart or a star for a lot of different designs. And then the other thing that you're going to want to get here is the bench block. So these are a 2.5 inch bench block, which is plenty big for most projects that you would be doing. And the reason that you need this is because when you're stamping, you need something solid that you're stamping against, or you just are not going to get an impression. It's nice and thick. This is the one that I used for a really long time. So you'll go ahead and use your 40% off coupon for this as well. Okay, so here's how this works. We just went inside and bought the Bracelet Blanks, and just the Bracelet Blanks, because at Hobby Lobby you can only use one coupon per purchase, right? So we're just gonna put these in the car and then go ahead and head back inside and buy the bench block. So My chauffeur is driving with a learner's permit. I'm having a heart attack. Stop! Oh my gosh. Next stop of the beauty supply. Alright, this is what we're after here. This is called a polar block. They normally sell these as individuals. You just need one, and it's about $1. Okay, just keep your right foot on one pedal, just on the, honey, nope, slow down, there's a stop sign coming up.
But if this brings you just a little closer to those men who are going into the hottest spots, I hope that it will help you to do a better job. Better job.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
My mom says I'm a good driver.
Now that I am safely back on land, let's recap. So we went shopping first at Hobby Lobby, and at Hobby Lobby I had you get a packet of 1/4-inch blanks and a bench block and a design stamp. I forgot to mention when I was recording it that you actually can go ahead and use your 40% off coupon on each of those. So that's going to be important to save some money, obviously. And again, you can only use one coupon per transaction. So you're going to want to purchase your stamp, take it out, put it in your car, come back in, buy your bench block, take it out, put it in your car, come back in, buy your blanks, take them out, put them in the car. There's an app on your phone that you can download that will get you a Hobby Lobby coupon, and you just show them the coupon on your phone. You will then go to the beauty supply store and go ahead and purchase the polar block at the beauty supply store. And then you will go to Harbor Freight and you'll want to get your stamps there. I would recommend the 1/8 inch stamps because those are close to a 3mm size stamp, and that's probably what you would most commonly use. And then you'll also go ahead and get your stubby hammer there. And then two things that I forgot to have my chauffeur record were you can grab a roll of electrical tape and a roll of duct tape while you're there. The duct tape is optional, but I'm gonna highly recommend it, and I'll show you why in the next video. And then you will want to get a Sharpie for darkening your impressions. And I think that's everything. So I will leave links in the description for everything that you're going to need, that you can find it on Amazon in case you can't get to the stores that I'm talking about, but it will be cheaper to go ahead and get them through the stores and use coupons. Harbor Freight has a 20% off coupon that they'll text you, and then you can find one online, and you always get a free thing when you buy something at Harbor Freight, so grab a flashlight while you're there. And then anyway, so links in the description, And then the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the supplies that you just bought in order to make a cuff bracelet. So stay tuned, and if you subscribe and then hit the notification bell, then you'll get an alert when I upload the next video. So hopefully you enjoyed the video today. It's very different from what I normally do thanks to the assistance of my son. And I will talk to you soon.
Don't get these. Stop. Don't do it.